Greetings, dear viewers. Today we delve into the financial horoscope for our steadfast Taurus for the month of March. We'll explore the intriguing interplay of cosmic conditions, charting a course for financial prosperity. Stay tuned as we unlock the celestial secrets to your financial prosperity. The ruling planet of Taurus, Venus, plays a significant role in shaping your financial intuition and stability. This month, Venus finds itself in a unique position, subtly guiding your instincts towards wealth accumulation. But that's not all. The new moon in Aries, the symbol of new beginnings, is heralding a host of fresh financial opportunities. It's a time of renewal, ripe for planting the seeds of future prosperity. These celestial movements set the stage for a dynamic financial month for Taurus. March brings a spectrum of financial opportunities and challenges for Taurus. Let's dive into what the stars have in store for you week by week. In the first week of March, the planets align favorably, making it an excellent period for evaluating your financial goals. You might want to consider new investment opportunities that have been catching your eye. However, it's critical to avoid major purchases during this period. Patience is a virtue, Taurus, so hold on to your financial reins a little longer. As we move into the second week, positive alignments suggest it's a good time to negotiate or ask for a raise. You have a natural knack for diplomacy, so don't shy away from those conversations. Also, keep an eye on your mailbox or bank account. There could be financial gains from unexpected sources heading your way. The third week calls for a focus on savings and re-evaluation of expenses. You might feel the urge to splurge, but remember, a penny saved is a penny earned. However, don't let that deter you from exploring new financial avenues. A surprise financial opportunity might just be around the corner. But do exercise caution and due diligence before diving in. As we approach the final week of March, it's time to indulge in a little self-care without breaking the bank. You've worked hard, Taurus, and you deserve a treat. But remember, a little goes a long way. Consider looking into sustainable investments or savings plans. They could be the key to unlocking long-term wealth and financial stability. Remember, Taurus, each week presents a unique opportunity to grow your wealth. Your financial journey is a marathon, not a sprint, so take each day as it comes, armed with the knowledge that the planets are working in your favor. With patience, perseverance, and a dash of celestial guidance, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Until next time, Taurus, keep reaching for the stars. Harnessing the celestial energy can help Taurus navigate their financial path wisely. As a sign ruled by Venus, your natural inclination is towards stability and long-term growth. This month, let these traits guide your financial decisions. Consider investment strategies that align with this natural tendency. Perhaps it's time to look into bonds, real estate, or other secure forms of investment that promise steady returns over time. But remember, every investment comes with its own set of risks and rewards, so make sure you do your due diligence before jumping in. On the other hand, remember that saving is just one facet of financial management. It's equally important to balance your savings with occasional well-considered splurges. After all, Taurus, you're known for your love of luxury. Just ensure that your indulgences don't sabotage your long-term financial goals. Embrace your natural financial foresight and patience, Taurus. These traits will serve as your compass, guiding you towards a prosperous future. Taurus, your financial journey in March is influenced by the cosmos. But remember, you hold the reins. Harness your natural patience and foresight to foster growth. Stay grounded, practical, and keep your eyes on the prize. Thank you for joining us, dear Taurus. Don't forget to subscribe for more zodiac financial insights. Until next time, stay financially savvy.